platforms, be it Facebook, be it YouTube, be it inside our community as well. Welcome to this webinar. If you're watching this webinar, chances are that you're watching a replay of this webinar. And in that case, stick with us because in this webinar, we have a special guest here and we're going to talk about remote working and how you can effectively communicate with your team, especially in these remote working scenario. That's right. And we're also going to showcase a product that will help you communicate effectively with your team. And that product is going to be amazing. We're going to show you live and we're going to answer every single question that you have got regarding the challenges that you're facing with remote working and also about the product that we have on a lifetime deal. That's right. So what is the product? What are we going to cover in this video? We'll be starting in just 60 seconds. Until then, I'm going to invite Val, who's going to talk about the product. And after that, we're going to talk about the 10 best practices towards efficient team communication.
Very often, effectiveness means simplicity. This has very much to do with the communication as well. What's going on, guys? This is Val from PitchGround. This one is going to be very short. I just wanted to show you real quick a simple yet very effective communication tool for your team. Introducing Channel by Space. This tool will make your team conversations quick and purposeful. Share instant files or start a video call with a single click. Space Channel is an easy and fast team communication tool with minimal but required features so the team enjoy working with no confusion. The simple interface makes it easy and intuitive, no bells and whistles you won't ever use. Create channels for purposeful and organized communications. In-app meetings promote quick decision-making and real-time collaboration. If you want to get more info on this, do check out our use case video and make sure to get your lifetime deal on pitchground.com. That's pretty much it, guys.
Absolutely. If you want more info, this is the webinar to join, and I'm glad you guys are here. So, Channel by Space is a simple communication tool. But before we get into Channel, before we show you the demo of Channel, I would like to invite the co-founder of Space. Space is this company that is out there building tools specific to remote working. And they launched not one, but two lifetime deals with us. But we are only going to talk about communication in this webinar and how to communicate effectively. So I'm going to invite the co-founder of Space, Pushpendra here, who's along joining us with us. So Pushpendra, how are you doing?
Thank you very much, Minank. I'm doing very good. I hope everyone is doing out there doing good.
Absolutely, Pushpendra. I think this is the very first time we are doing a webinar with you. Previously, we did webinar with Ravi. We spoke about OKRs, guys, and how you can set goals. I hope you are setting goals in 2022, and I hope you're following the OKR methodology. But this is not about OKRs. This webinar, as I said, we're going to talk about communication. So, Pushpendra, why don't you tell us about Space, about Channel, and what are we going to cover today? These three questions. Yeah.
Amazing. So definitely, last time we discussed about the OKR. We discussed about the big picture, the measuring what matters, managing what matters. But this time we are gonna go deep. We will talk about the micro. But do not misunderstand me. We will talk about micro, not management, but the framework. So that's what we are going to learn. The 10 simple ideas, suggestions, what I learned in my life, which can transform your team communication and team collaboration.
Awesome. And guys, at PitchGround, we've been working remotely since the very start of our company. It's from 2018, before COVID and all happened. And initially, I faced a ton of challenges. It was all new. It was like we were trying to communicate via this tool, and then it's not face to face, and everything changed. So if you're here, if you're joining this, I'm sure you might be facing some challenges if you're communicating with your freelancers, if you're communicating with contractors, if you're communicating with your own team. So Pushpendra here is has a PPT. It's not a boring PPT, guys. It's a very short presentation, and we have a surprise at the end of this webinar. That's right. Don't go anywhere. We have a surprise at the end of this webinar, And we're also going to announce the giveaway winners that we did yesterday, and also a special giveaway for this webinar only. So don't go anywhere. So Pushpendra, you can share your screen. You can talk about the
Yes.
topic. And
Let me present. Yes. So I hope.
perfect. We can see your screen, and the stage is all yours.
Okay, perfect. So let me tell about about myself. I came in the startup industry before 15 years ago, when I was a student, and then I built a product, Message 91, which has changed the industry of CPaaS. It's a communication industry, and in this journey, I learned a lot about team collaboration issues. Very simple issues which were really pain point for me, and which I tried to solve them, and I wrote down them, and I'll talk about these suggestions today. I curated 10 suggestions for you. So this is what I'll do today. And as when I say 10 best practices toward efficient team communication, it's not about micromanagement, but it's giving them a framework where your team can perform in a certain way, the way you want. And I hope these suggestions will help you fix your team communication, and it will make team communication and team collaboration very efficient. So my first suggestion is have framework. Most of the companies, most of the startups, they just start working. So what I suggest you guys, have a framework, write somewhere what kind of a communication, how do you want a communication with your team. And if you do not have a framework, it's not a problem. If you have started, just get a tool. Most of the tool comes with an inbuilt framework, with their philosophy. So my suggestion is, think about it. What kind of framework do you want? And then find a tool. The similar tool which matches with your philosophy. I remember that Steve Jobs built a framework for the Pixar studio, Pixar office. So these people, the employees of the Pixar, they just roam around, they talk a lot, they actually collaborate. The building was built in a way that people can. So they gave a framework of team collaboration. This is a kind of framework you need to give to your employees. It's not a micromanagement, but it's a framework. You have to teach them. And more about teaching, you have to give them framework. So you don't actually teach them, you don't waste your time, but you just help your employees, your team to work efficiently. And tools, why I'm focusing more on tools, because they help you to automate. They help you to reduce training process. That's what the tool does. And definitely PitchGround is there. So they give you a great deal. So it's time. If you're a startup, a small company, if a budget problem, this is the best way to buy a tool.
Point one is of course covered because we're all watching this on PitchGround. So yeah.
Amazing. The second point is virtual suggestion box. See, when we have a physical offices, we have a box, suggestion box, right? In the school, college, everywhere, the office. But in the virtual environment, in the remote, we don't have that box. Have that box, virtual suggestion box, maybe quarterly, maybe weekly, or not weekly, but monthly or quarterly. Have this, just send a form. Ask your team to fill it anonymously or maybe by name. And these suggestions, use them wisely. I mean, they can be offended, they can be normal, they can be anything exciting, but use them wisely. Because many people are shy. They don't talk much to the founder, to the management, or maybe their conversation, their ideas are not coming to the founders. So this is my second suggestion, and this is very important. Third suggestion is team checklist, the SOP. Most startup thinks that they will implement this when they grow, but they are wrong. The culture builds from the day one, from the first employee they hire. And team checklist is very important because you cannot remember everything either. You have to write down. You don't want to think again and again. So daily checklist, weekly checklist, monthly checklist, quarterly checklist, write down. And again, you have to use some kind of a tool to manage the team checklist. or maybe just maybe some very is calendar, use calendar, something like that. My fourth suggestion is around document. When you use Google Doc, see why I'm building this entire space suit, because I feel the problem of outdated technology we are using currently. Google Doc, the notion has come, but Google Doc was independent. The what should I say? It's individual, but the is a team first document. When you create a document you are just the owner. You can see the Google Doc, right? In the Notion, you create a Google Doc, a document, and it's visible to everyone. So it's by default easily accessible, shareable, findable, and accurate depending on guys. So why I'm creating this entire space suit, I am bringing all this kind of a simple, amazing, team first, futuristic tools suit. And we have just launched OKR, channel, and we are coming with more tools. So this is my fourth tip. Use, until we don't come, use something very similar to Notion, but it's very important. Work in a team, not individually. If you have not read a book, Dysfunction of a Team, I must recommend to read to everyone. This book is very amazing to build a team. And this point, work in a team, not individually, says you have a department of HR, accounts, department of developer. Everybody has a department individually, but you are giving them individual email ID. Whenever something happens, you send email to somebody. What if somebody is on leave? What if somebody is not checking their email or whatever? You should send email to HR, to accounts, to developer, not to individual. And that's where team inbox comes. Again, a tool. But this makes you work in a team, not as an individual. So this is my fifth suggestion. Now I'll more focus on suggestions which are related to team communication, team chat. Most of the people use Slack, Flock, whatever they use team chat application. Most of the employees prefer DM. But it's a very wrong habit. Always use channel, a group. When you do that, it's more accountable. More people can help each other. And it's transparent. And you always get a very timely reply. DM is very personal. It's not a good culture. So always use channel over DM. Okay, so this is my favorite. Bring everyone on the same page. Why and how? It's very important. In the remote, see, when we have physical offices, we work in the physical. We have a blackboard, we have a whiteboard, whatever, the copy pen or something. But in the remote, what do we have? How do we tell each other what is here? Should I tell my thought process, my thoughts very easily? See, open a doc, share it with everyone, share the screen, and ask everyone to start writing first their thought, and then we will start discussing. This is called silent brainstorming. First write and then discuss. So everyone has written everything on the document, and now everybody is discussing. So that's my favorite thing. In the remote, this is must. Now you have a doc, you have a meeting. Who is leading it? Or it's a random. If there is no leader, the meeting is going to waste. So have a leader. And when you have a leader, ask them two things. Whenever meeting ends, the action points, and the second, who is answerable for each action point. This one was favorite of Steve Jobs. I'm a fan of Steve Jobs, and it is again must be implemented. In the last, I'll tell few more points. See, never make someone take follow-up from you. Again, you will require a tool, task management, maybe something where you write tasks, where you write something to remind yourself. Okay, you cannot make your team annoyed by taking your follow. So this is the kind of framework you have to give to your people. I see most of the people, when they send first message, they say, hi, hello, how are you? This is my thing. They do a lot of enter. This is wrong habit. Be calm, write the entire message and press enter. Don't send enter again and again. This will send 10 notifications to other party and it will waste his time. Third is use GIF, memes. Why? Because life is fun, work is fun. It has to be fun. Otherwise, who wants to work? It has to be fun. That's sometime one of the department of Google has compulsory it. And last, be organized. Close whatever is done. So that was my learning. I hope I've not gone very fast, and I hope everyone is understood.
Yes.
Right, Minank?
This was really short, really quick, and
Really
those were
short.
some good tips. And when you were
Yes.
saying about having someone to lead the meeting, I felt that. Okay, we at PitchGround we do this generally in our meetings, virtual meetings. Yes,
Yes.
we
Yes.
even did those random meetings in the start, and we learned our lesson. So
Anywhere.
yes,
Yes.
yes. We were definitely not going anywhere. It's just random people talking random things, and I don't know what was happening. So, but right now all the meetings are either led by Udit or me or Oscar or someone. Yeah, that's how it is. And
Yes. And when you
GIFs
try,
and memes.
yeah, try them.
Yes,
Very
GIFs and
effective.
memes are absolutely. We've been we communicate with our customers with also GIFs and all that. So people are watching this, they also know that yes, we are huge fan of GIFs. So GIFs, memes, and for regarding memes as well, I think uh, memes and PitchGround have a really long relationship. We've done meme contests for people who can participate. You can win prizes just for making memes on our products and all that. So people are already commenting GIFs and emojis out there. So yes, they are excited. And James, so good to see you. Nicholas is here. Sammy is here. Awesome. And yep, we also finished hiring our first meme marketer. So
Oh, wow. Congratulations.
we're excited about that as well. So yes, we are high on GIFs, memes, all of the funny stuff out there. But yes, Pushpendra.
Perfect. I will tell you more about the one of the application which we have a deal. The team
Yes,
communication. It's very similar to Slack. It's very similar to MS Teams. It's very similar to whatever application you have seen in the market. Okay, I'll give you the slide.
absolutely. So
Okay, it's very
yep,
very
you can
similar.
just show about channel and then you can like show the demo
I
of the
will
channel.
show you. I'll show you. But it is I'll tell you when it is similar. Why we haven't built it? We built it on 3-4 principles. It's very simple. It's very simple as WhatsApp. It is very fast as you open an offline application iOS notes. And it's very affordable. At least still it is on PitchGround. But roughly we will gonna price it around $300 to $1,000 per month for 200 user company. So, but we have a deal on PitchGround, so that's a great thing. Now we talk about the future. It's not about what we are today. So we want to go slow, bug free, and remain on track. We want to keep it super fast. And the simple thing is, what the entire application, whatever we will build it on psychology. We understand the psychology, and we make sure that when you use team or any of application, your team becomes productive and they win whatever the war they are fighting. And now I will show you I'll share screen again and I'll show you the live what we use the team channel. Yeah, I think my entire screen is shared. So this is you can see, right? Okay, perfect. So this is what our team application channel. This is very simple, very shortcut. When I press escape, it takes me to search. When I search, I can just search here. I can just type. I can send. It's very similar to WhatsApp, but very futuristic. It has, you can mark it unread, remove from sidebar, star conversation, mute conversation. If you don't notification, if you want to see the profile of somebody, you can go here and see the profile, the contact number. Even you can add more field here for your team, so that everyone can fill, and if you have a big team, you will know what they are really working on. It's emoji, the mention, the formatting, the APIs. We have the inbound APIs where you can send messages here, and of course it's very dynamic. We are also working on API integration, third-party integrations. So, like you have a Slack community, Slack market, we will also have a Slack market in a week or two. And the most important feature is call. It's when I press call button, it's if other person is online, it's automatically get connected very instantly. It's very fast. So once you use this, you will never need to make a phone call. You will forget making a phone call. Yeah, you can create
I like the
multiple.
way the user interface is really neat, and it's
Yes,
simple, as you said. Yeah,
yes,
I think
yes,
that's like the philosophy that you guys are following with clean design and simplicity.
yes. Very clean design. Yes, yes.
Got it, got it. So, yep.
Yeah, I
And
think
it
that's
also includes video calls as well. Now
yes.
that
Video
is
call,
really
screen
nice.
sharing,
Yeah.
everything. Yes, and with a
Wow.
in a single click. And yes,
Oh wow.
it has a dark mode. It yes, it has a dark mode.
That's a question
It
by
automatically
James.
yes, it automatically check your system setting, and if it goes into the dark mode.
Got it, got it. So
It has
perfect,
a mobile
perfect. So,
application. It has desktop application. It's
what
really
else
good.
do we
You
need?
need Slack.
Yeah. Absolutely. So I'm going to be quickly sharing my screen and I'll be answering the questions that James, Nicholas have been putting out. And after the questions, we also have a surprise. So don't go anywhere, guys. Quickly screen sharing. And yes, my screen is visible. And guys, this is Channel by Space, a really simple tool for team communication. The core of Channel by Space is simplicity and the UX. You saw how simple is this with all sorts of keyboard screenshots to go anywhere and navigate easily. This is the tool. You saw a demo of it. We're happy to show you all of it. Then these are the plans that we have. With plan A, you get 20 users, and this is more than enough for the startups that are watching right now, or among solopreneurs or hiring contractors, or if you have like a 10-member team, this is more than enough for you. But if you're looking to expand, if you're having a bigger team, and if you're catering more users, you of course need more disk space. So this is the disk space. That is with plan B. Really simple to explain. Even the plans are really simple, guys. No more no jargon here. That's not that can't be understood. So plan C is 100 users with unlimited space, and plan D is unlimited users, which is insane. You could be running your own small community with plan D, and that is a nice use case for a channel. Running a community, people have been running communities on Slack, so you could be having like an unlimited user. You're gonna be running a small community and charging users for that. So yes, with unlimited disk space, that is really amazing. So this is a Channel by Space. The link to the lifetime deal would be above or below this video, guys, and you can check it out. And right now we're going to answer all your questions. If you like to compare it with Slack in terms of the pricing, you can see the pricing over here. This is per user, guys. This is per user pricing, and honestly this becomes costly if you invest like 10 or 20, or as the user increases the price increases, and you're paying this per month. That's right. So if there is around 10 users, you're paying around $70 per month, and that's going to do the math, $700 to $800 in a year. That's just with 10 users. Now, if you're having your own community, if you're just growing and etc., the costs are only going to go into thousands of dollars every single year just for communication, just for talking among yourselves, guys. And that is where this lifetime deal, I think, makes total sense, because you're getting 20 users for life with the plan A, the base plan, really generous, and unlimited user plan is ridiculous because you're getting this for like half or maybe the quarter the price of Slack per year. So this is the space, and these guys, I'm going to stop my screen sharing. And yep, Pushpendra and all of these space guys are in this industry for more than a decade right now. They have built so many other SaaS products. You can check out Walkover, you can check out Message 91, you can check out many other tools that they have built. And this is coming from like a really trustworthy team with a lot of backing, guys. This is the tool you can invest. It's not going to go anywhere because they themselves, Pushpendra showed his live workspace to you. They're using a channel for their own communication as well. You could be using it too for your communication. And I also told you the use case, which is extra use case, which is you can run your community and make money. Now, coming to this, we are going to ask questions, Pushpendra. I hope you're ready. I can ask for. I want to know about the security. Like, is this data encrypted or something?
Okay, so the basic encryption, I'm not sure about that. The SSL or things, which is basic encryption, of course, definitely we do. But the entire encryption, I need to consult with my team that we do it or not. But definitely, if it's not, it should be in our roadmap.
Perfect. Is the input output for all message data encrypted both ways on each workspace to all the users? Is the voice and video stream encoded to reduce bandwidth on you? So I think the data encryption was the very first question, which we just asked, which you said you're going to consult with your
Definitely.
team.
See, yes.
And regarding the
But the data
audio
encryption
video,
definitely.
yeah.
Audio video, yes. So audio video, we are using a Jitsi platform. It's very known to
Jitsi.
everyone. Jitsi platform. We have configured it in our own way, customized it a little bit, and we are using it. Definitely, we are trying to have some kind of logic where it reduces your bandwidth usage, and it will happen over time. It will gradually become better. We are also beta. We are not in beta, but very early stage.
Got it. And for the guys,
But we are
those of you who
working
don't
hard.
know,
We are a lot of
Jitsi is
huge office. Everyone is
yes. For those of you guys who don't know, Jitsi is like an open source platform. You can check it out. It's renowned. It's known everywhere. People have been using it, especially in the Linux community. So yes. Next question about dark mode. Yes, dark mode is there. It's system wide. So whatever theme your system has, it'll system to dark mode. I like the UI, UX, and the way it's pulsed to be able to be used with a simple click. Seems a lot easier than Slack. Yep, you definitely caught it at the right place, Nicholas. That's what it is, and it's made to be really simple to use and with shortcuts. Pushpendra, you can you show some shortcuts with the tool?
Yes. Why not?
Yes, guys, this is the shortcuts, guys. I'm sure if you're buying this right now, check out the shortcuts below. And Pushpendra, we can see your screen right now.
See, whenever you are done something, just press escape.
Okay, if you press escape, it just shows you're awesome. Yeah.
Yeah, you're awesome. Now, if you want to search, you are already focused on the search tab. So just focus, just write and enter. Or if you don't want to press enter, you want to go back, just use the arrow key. Go back here, escape, down arrow key.
Oh, love it.
Like this, just press enter, you're back here. The arrow key, you can go back here. If you want to change the workspace, you just need to command escape.
Command and escape, and the workspace can be changed. Wow.
For the history, you go to command, arrow, down arrow, command arrow. Okay. So these are the simple, shortcuts which are mostly used. I mean, three shortcuts are very important. That's what I showed you.
Got it.
We are a very customer centric company. So whatever you guys say, whatever you guys ask for, we will build.
Yes,
That's why
that,
we are.
that that is what makes it amazing, and that's why you guys have launched on PitchGround, and PitchGround users are like super excited when it comes to providing feedback, when it comes to providing all of that. This thing is there a mobile app too, and any preview for that?
Yes, yes, yes. We have mobile app, desktop application, everything.
Yes, mobile app. I think it's difficult to show like a screen share of it.
Yeah, I
Um,
think it's difficult on, but it is very easy. Again, it's very similar to what I've shown you here. But definitely mobile app is very different by this, but it's very easy. It's very similar to Slack, WhatsApp.
okay, nice.
We have kept very similar. We are inspired with the WhatsApp, the UX part.
Okay. Guys, you can just search it on Android and iOS stores. It's already there in the Play Store. You can just search it.
Yes, you have to search by channel by space.
Yes. And moving on to the next question, how big is the team?
We have a 150 plus team members.
Wow, that is insane. That is how big they are, guys. Okay, so who are watching this 150 plus team? This is one of the biggest teams that we are having right now on PitchGround. As you can, like, even PitchGround is far from 150. We're just like 10% of it, 15
So
to
it's not
20.
only about this
Yeah.
space. We are multi-prod. So if you want to check out walkover.in, you will see message 91, get the socket. You will see multiple products are there.
As I said, guys, these guys have like over a decade of or more experience in building products. So with a space, you are having a product that is ready to use, and is growing based on your feedback. That's right. And they are here launching the lifetime deal, getting all feedback from you. And as Pushpendra said, after it goes from lifetime, since they are like a product, since it's their like, I don't know, fifth or sixth, or even I don't know, more products. So I think they are going the MRR route where they'll be taking and going like, what's the future look like, Pushpendra?
The future is we are going to compete Google Workspace, Zoho. We
Okay,
are
Google
not
Workspace
stopping
and
on these
yeah.
two tools. We are coming up with we have plan of 24 tools.
Wow,
So yes,
wow.
the entire remote working, the entire workspace suite we will be covering. The team chat, the team checklist, team inbox, the team document, calendar, everything will be covered, and they will be tightly integrated with each other. And they will all will
Yes,
be minimal, simple, easy, and fast. That's what
absolutely.
I think people need. They don't want
Yes,
very
yes.
complicated features. They want fast. They want bug free. That's what people want.
Love it, love it. And other team workspace channels by space hosting via Cloudflare are also hosted in the same data center.
I'm not sure about this question, but we are
So,
hosted on GCP and AWS.
okay, okay, got it. And yes, guys, wow, so big. Absolutely, James. It's really, really big. Let me move on to the next question. If you do that on Slack, we have Business Plus and Press any keys, it'll go crazy. Nicholas, you know it better. You've been watching our webinars and you actually know it better. And let me look at any other comments do we have, guys? Any other questions about the tool? Any other questions about the lifetime deal that we are having? And any other questions, let us know. We are happy to help you out. Let me look at this. And okay, so we don't have any questions. That means it's time to do a giveaway. That's right. All the team features updates included for life in Plan D. Plan D is basically the unlimited users plan. And here we have Nicholas asking if all the team
All the
feature
future
updates.
feature updates.
Yes.
All the future feature updates, definitely, because you are our early user. You are the one who are sharing this product. Actually, we are not making the, you guys are making the product. So definitely, it should be free for you.
Absolutely, Nicholas. You heard it from the man. That is what this is. And we already looked at the pricing and etc. So let me quickly share my screen, show you the lifetime deal, and do the giveaway as well. Don't worry, guys. We are doing multiple giveaways right now, so be ready. So, not this. I hope you can see my screen, guys. So this is channel by space, guys. All URLs are here. I saw someone asking about URL. You can just check into space.io/channel. If you want to check out their walkover team, you can check out their different products that they've built. Message 91 is like a really renowned product. Via socket is again, it's like connecting two people. That's why they're connecting two tools, and that's why they're like really fast when it comes to doing integrations. So they've done different tools, guys. You can just check it out in walkover.in, and you can also check it out this into space.io/channel. If you look at it, you open it, you can see what's going on. They're also having their mobile application for it. You can have access to that, and you can see that this is channel only, but you can see they're building different tools, guys. They're aiming to be an alternative for Google Workspace, Zoho Workspace, etc. So they are becoming that. Now we have these two lifetime deals, OKR and Channel, and this was Channel. That is super easy to use. And this is the lifetime deal. Really simple to explain. 20 users, plan A, 40 users, plan B, 100 users, plan C, and plan D, unlimited users, which is insane. Which is insane. You will pay like the quarter of what you pay for Slack, and you're getting unlimited users. Insane. For life with updates. Really good. So yes, coming back to the winners. So I have taken the giveaway instruction over here. I'm just going to turn off the comments. I've yes, I've already taken the people over here. I've just exported the post and I've added the names of the people. So I'm gonna do choose a random winner from here. Did we say uh yes, 3 LTD licenses to random winners? So yes, let's choose the first winner. So first winner is Joginder Sharma. We're gonna remove him, and now we're gonna choose the second winner. Congratulations, Joginder! You won the lifetime deal for channel. That is really insane. And the second winner is Aryan Salman. Congratulations, Aryan Salman! You have won lifetime deal. And the third winner over here is we're picking this live, guys. All in front of you. Let's see. That's Mel. Congratulations, Mel. You won the lifetime deal for uh, the channel by space that we're having here. Giveaway. Yeah, all you have to do is just follow the instructions. More giveaways like this are coming, guys. If you haven't won this giveaway, it's all right. We have more giveaways coming up for this. Perfect. So with this, I'm going to stop my screen sharing.
Congratulations to everyone. I really want to say
Yes.
congratulations to everyone who won this deal.
Absolutely. And for guys who haven't won this deal, you're already getting the best deal out there. That is the lifetime deal for channel, and the pricing is ridiculous. Unlimited, guys, for life. You don't have to pay per user per month. Don't just forget about the pricing. You're on PitchGround. You're looking at lifetime, and that too from a company that has over 150 plus people building dedicated. They're across all spread across different products, and these guys are building. The mobile app is already ready. You can just use it with your team and share us the feedback, guys. Try out the school. um, keyboard shortcuts, share us the feedback, and this is interesting. And now with this, we're going to wrap up this webinar. But we'll do one last giveaway. That's right, one last giveaway before we wrap up this webinar. So comment comment one feature you liked about channel. That's right, comment one feature you liked about this tool, and I'm going to choose one random winner from this webinar. That's right, this is raining giveaways, guys. We thought we'll just end it, but nope, we're going to choose this winner. Comment one random feature that you like about Space channel, and we're going to choose one random winner. That's right. All the comments have been coming in. One James says UI UX, and who else? Who else? If you guys have, if you guys are dedicating your time to watching this webinar, learning, and also looking at the tool, then you're bound to be rewarded. So yes, that's what the giveaways are for. How it saves money for us? Absolutely, Sammy. So good to see you here. Simpler than Slack by a clear mile. Absolutely, Nicholas. I think you're a Slack user, so you know it better. Simpler than Slack. UI and the speed of the website. Speed is the core function these guys have built. I was like talking to Ravi, and they're like speed and simplicity, the two main pillars that they're going forward with that. I love it. It has a mobile app. I love the fact too, because you can just communicate it on the go. That's like the really nice way to do it. So let me look at the comments. So the comments have come in, and are there any more comments, guys? We'll wait for another 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. So we're going to choose Nicholas. Congratulations, Nicholas. You have won the lifetime deal for channel. So yes, congratulations, Nicholas. I'm going to contact you after this webinar. I'm going to reach out to you so that we can like do it. Get our perfect. So congratulations for all the winners, guys. You also won the lifetime deal. And for those of you who didn't win, don't be sad, guys. More giveaways are coming up for more products, but don't lose this product, guys, because this is saving you a lot of money. As you can see, people are talking about the UI, UX, speed, and etc. Mobile apps, everything is available. Grab channel by Space on a lifetime deal and improve. Get closer to your team. Yes, it has all video calls, all sorts of functions that you expect in a team communication tool. You're not missing out on anything just because you're getting a lifetime deal. All the future updates are coming as well. So yes, grab the lifetime deal, guys, and we'll see you in our upcoming webinars. And Pushpendra, thank you so much for.
Thank you very much. Thank you, people. Thank you, everyone, for attending the webinar and listening to me, checking out the channel. And I really want your feedback. I really want you guys to use this. This is a very good deal. I mean, the pricing will be around $300, $400 per month for 50 users, 100 users. This is a very good deal. I really want feedback. That's why we are offering this deal. And I hope you guys become our early customer and you shape the product.
Absolutely. PitchGround does. You know where to put the feedback from. Thank you so much.
Very often, effectiveness means simplicity. This has very much to do with the communication as well. What's going on, guys? This is Val from PitchGround. This one is going to be very short. I just wanted to show you real quick a simple yet very effective communication tool for your team. Introducing Channel by Space. This tool will make your team conversations quick and purposeful. Share instant files or start a video call with a single click. Space Channel is an easy and fast team communication tool with minimal but required features so the team enjoy working with no confusion. The simple interface makes it easy and intuitive, no bells and whistles you won't ever use. Create channels for purposeful and organized communications. In-app meetings promote quick decision-making and real-time collaboration. If you want to get more info on this, do check out our use case video and make sure to get your lifetime deal on pitchground.com. That's pretty much it, guys. Love you all, keep safe, and I see you guys in the next video.